Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we will help you to set up your Netgear Wi-Fi extender WN3000RP. Firstly, plug in your extender into the power outlet near your router. Wait for the power LED to turn green, indicating it's ready. After that, on your computer or mobile device, go to your Wi-Fi settings and connect to the extender's default network. It will be named something like Netgear_EXT. After that, step number 3, open the setup page. In your browser type 3W's mywifi.ext.net into the address bar and go to the site by pressing enter. This will take you to the Netgear extender setup page. If prompted, log in using your default credentials such as admin for the username and password for the password. After that, set up your extender. Once logged in, follow the on-screen instructions to connect your extender to your Wi-Fi network. Select your Wi-Fi network name. From the list, enter your password and confirm. After that, you will need to reposition your extender, unplug it, and move it to the location midway between your router and the area where you need better Wi-Fi coverage. Plug it in and wait for the LEDs to stabilize. The best placement is where the link rate LED shows green. After that, you need to test the connection, reconnect your devices to your Wi-Fi network, move around your home to ensure the extended signal reaches your previously weak areas. And that's it, your Netgear extender is now set up and ready to enhance your Wi-Fi coverage. If you found this guide helpful, check the description for more tutorials and tips. Thank you for watching, guys. Like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.